Hello, my name is Dieter van Wallegem and I am the Program Director of the Rennes School of Business International MBA program. I am of Belgian nationality. I hold a PhD in Finance from the Wharton Business School and a Master in Financial Economics from the University of Oxford. The Rennes iMBA is a program that is uniquely designed and tailored to turn you into successful business leaders, capable of thriving in an increasingly complex and fast-moving business environment tomorrow. Through its unique 5I identity profile, the program will equip you with the essential skills and knowledge in the areas of business intelligence solutions, international collaboration, AI-driven innovation, leadership through personal insights, and how to create financial value by blending it with social and environmental impact. This will help you to design and lead the organizations of the future that will not only meet but surpass societal expectations of the future. The Rennes iMBA offers an extensive career and personal development support that will equip you with the essential hard and soft skills to enhance your attractiveness and visibility on the job market. Throughout the program, you will be offered a combination of topical workshops on the most recent job market trends, personalized coaching services, and general career support that will help you maximize the value of your professional profile to future employers. The Rennes iMBA program will expand your horizons through 2 enriching study trips. First, about 4 months into the program, you will embark on a 1-week study trip to Lisbon, Portugal's capital, to be embedded in the local business and startup ecosystem of one of Europe's most dynamic hubs for digital innovation. Then, towards the end of the program, you will undergo a life-changing experience by going on a 1-week field study trip to Morocco, where you experience firsthand how to create positive impact through a business project in a developing country context. This will teach you truly how far your positive impact can reach as future captains of industry. The Rennes iMBA program will immerse you in a truly international academic environment in one of France's most dynamic regional capital at only an hour and a half away from Paris by train. You will be joined by colleagues and faculty from across the world to collaborate, share insights and experiences on management and leadership that will truly show you the implications of cultural variation in day-to-day business operations. The Rennes iMBA will finally offer you access to the school's extensive network of alumni and corporate partners. Rennes School of Business alumni have been at the forefront of international professional mobility for nearly 2 decades and can be found in a variety of industries across the globe. They will help you in gaining access to interesting internships and valuable job opportunities after you finish the program, but also help you with insights as students who came before you. Are you ready to join the Rennes School of Business iMBA program? I'm looking forward to welcoming you.